How the world's waste management system really makes 2.3 billion tons of trash disappear every year. Every single week you fill 3 different bins in your kitchen. Yellow for plastics and metal cans. Blue for paper and cardboard. Organic for food scraps and yard waste. Tuesday morning at 6:15 a.m., 3 different trucks arrive in sequence. Your bins get lifted, emptied, and disappear forever. No drama, no lingering smell, no visible trace remains. But that routine pickup represents one of the most sophisticated industrial processes on the planet. One single breakdown anywhere in the chain creates sanitation emergencies affecting millions. If you enjoy understanding how the world really works, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications right now. Every week we reveal the hidden systems you depend on every single day without thinking twice. Your crushed yogurt container does not dissolve into thin air. Your greasy pizza box does not burrow into the earth. Every plastic bottle, coffee pod, and broken toy enters a massive sorting, processing, transportation, and disposal infrastructure. Today we follow your kitchen trash bag from the moment you tie the knot all the way to landfill cell, recycling plant, or waste-to-energy incinerator 200 miles away. Waste collection begins with identical rear-loader trucks following GPS-optimized routes. Each truck compacts 20 cubic meters of waste using hydraulic rams exerting 25 tons of force. One full truck equals the volume of 10,000 recycled plastic bottles crushed into dense bricks. Trucks arrive at transfer stations every 90 minutes. Here waste gets gravity dumped into concrete receiving bays 30 feet deep. Front-end loaders with 12-yard buckets mix residential and commercial loads for uniform processing. Conveyor belts 120 meters long carry mixed waste to tipping floors. Scale houses weigh each truckload recording exact tonnage for municipal billing. From transfer station to final destination takes 24 to 72 hours depending on distance and processing path. Modern cities route waste through 3 primary destinations: landfill burial, materials recovery, or thermal conversion. Landfills receive 54.8% of municipal solid waste. Today's engineering landfills bear no resemblance to old open dumps. Each landfill cell measures 40 acres by 80 feet deep. Bottom liners combine 60 mil HDPE plastic sheets with 3-foot clay layers. Geosynthetic clay liners swell 15 times when wet, sealing leachate permanently. Landfills generate 27 million tons of methane annually through controlled anaerobic decomposition. Horizontal gas extraction pipes capture 95% for on-site power generation. One large municipal landfill produces enough electricity for 23,000 homes continuously. Materials recovery facilities process 24.7% of waste through extreme mechanical sorting. Automated lines use 9 different technologies simultaneously. Optical sorters fire lasers scanning 4.2 million objects per hour. Near-infrared spectroscopy identifies PET, HDPE, polypropylene instantly by molecular signature. Eddy current separators create electromagnetic fields flinging aluminum cans 12 feet into recovery bins. Air classifiers blow paper skyward while heavier glass sinks instantly. Color sorters separate clear glass, green glass, and brown glass using red, green, blue light analysis. Magnetic drums extract steel cans at 99.8% purity. Incinerators convert 20.5% of waste to energy at 1,850 degrees Fahrenheit combustion temperatures. Mass burn facilities process 800 tons daily through 5 parallel grate stokers. High-pressure steam drives turbines generating 25 megawatts continuously. Ash residue gets vitrified into non-leachable slag for road-based construction. Scrubber systems capture 99.9% of dioxins and heavy metals before stack emission. If this type of detailed behind-the-scenes industrial explanation interests you, make sure you are subscribed right now. Upcoming videos explore global food distribution networks, pharmaceutical cold chains, and aviation fuel supply in exactly the same invisible way. Collection systems operate 363 days per year. Thanksgiving generates 25% volume surge. Christmas produces 40% more cardboard alone. Transfer stations use 200-foot conveyor flights. Forklift operators wearing steel-toed boots monitor flow 24 hours daily. Landfill daily cover requires 6 inches of soil or tarps. Leachate collection pipes pump 1.2 million gallons daily for treatment. Methane flares burn excess gas at 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit when power demand drops. Recycling MRFs process 92 tons per hour through 14 sorting stations. Bale compaction presses squeeze PET into 1,100-pound blocks measuring 48 x 40 by 72 inches. Single-stream systems recover 9 material streams automatically. Dual stream requires household separation achieving 68% purity vs 45% single stream. Incinerators employ 6-stage flue gas cleaning. Selective catalytic reduction destroys nitrogen oxides. Baghouse filters capture 99.97% of particulates. Global municipal waste generation reaches 2.3 billion metric tons annually. 740 kilograms per person worldwide. Urban areas produce 70% of total volume. Water treatment infrastructure, electrical transmission grids, internet backbone cables, international banking ledgers, global container shipping, and integrated waste management all demonstrate identical engineering principles. Massive invisible industrial machines sustaining modern civilization at planetary scale. One New York City sanitation workers' strike lasts 72 hours. Sidewalks become rivers of garbage 5 inches deep. Rat populations explode by factor of 12. One Chinese PET recycling facility shuts unexpectedly. Virgin PET resin prices triple globally within 14 days. New plastic production accelerates 28%. One São Paulo regional landfill reaches permitted capacity. Residential pickup cycles extend from weekly to bi-weekly. Public health emergency declared after 18 days. Every curbside trash container emptied beside your driveway required exactly 278 separate industrial processes for completion. 48 unique machines and vehicles participated. 19 computer dispatch systems coordinated in real time. The precise moment when any single link fractures under pressure, entire metropolitan regions immediately drown beneath accumulating waste. If you want to continue discovering these massive engineering systems silently supporting every aspect of your daily existence, subscribe to the channel right now and turn on the notification bell. In the next video we examine precisely how global food supply chains deliver fresh produce 5,000 kilometers from Chilean farm to Brazilian supermarket shelf in 7 days maximum. That is how the world works.